Hello everyone. Welcome to Simple English Family. Today we are going to learn English at a cafe. We will learn how to order drinks and talk to the barista. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. Here is today's question. What do you call the person who makes and serves coffee? The answer is in today's conversation. If you find it, please write it in the comments. Let's begin.
Allie, over here.
Oh, Lily! Sorry, was I late?
No, you are right on time. Are you ready to go inside?
I think so, but I am a little nervous. I have never ordered coffee in English before.
Don't worry at all. It is much easier than you think.
Really? But what if I say something wrong?
Nobody will mind. People at cafes are very friendly, and I will help you every step of the way.
Okay, that makes me feel better. Let's go in.
Let's go. Here we are.
Wow, there are so many drinks on the menu. I don't know where to start.
I understand, but you don't need to know every drink. Just a few simple ones are enough.
Okay, so what drinks do you suggest?
Well, first, do you like coffee or something with milk?
I like milk drinks. They're softer.
Perfect. Then let's look at lattes and cappuccinos.
What is a latte?
A latte is espresso with a lot of steamed milk. It is smooth, creamy, and very popular.
That sounds nice. And what about a cappuccino?
A cappuccino also has espresso and milk, but it has less milk and more foam on top.
Foam? Like soft bubbles?
Exactly. Soft, fluffy milk bubbles. A latte is more milky. A cappuccino is lighter.
I see. I think I want to try a latte today.
Great choice for a first time.
So, how do I order? What do I say?
The most important phrase is, can I get?
Can I get? Okay.
Yes, it is polite and natural. For example, can I get a latte, please?
Can I get a latte, please? That is short and easy.
Exactly. Now, about the sizes. At most cafes, you choose small, medium, or large.
Ah, that is simple. Small, medium, large.
Yes. So you can say, can I get a medium latte, please?
Can I get a medium latte, please? I can do this.
You can. And the barista will ask you 1 or 2 questions after.
What kind of questions?
The first question is usually hot or iced.
Hot or iced. So I just say, hot please, or iced please.
Exactly. Very simple answers. The second question is for here or to go.
For here or to go. So if I want to sit inside, I say, for here.
Perfect. And if you want to take your drink outside, you say to go.
For here to go. Got it. These phrases are really useful.
They work at any cafe in the world, not just here.
Hi there. Welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi. Can I get a medium latte, please?
Of course. Would you like that hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Hot medium latte. Got it. For here or to go?
For here, please.
Great. And can I get a name for the order?
Ali.
Ali. Perfect. Would you like to add any sugar or flavor?
No, thank you. Just the latte.
Sure. Your total is $3.50. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Go ahead and tap here. Your latte will be ready at the end of the counter. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Nice.
Lily, I did it! I ordered in English.
You did amazing. How did it feel?
Honestly, much easier than I expected. The barista spoke slowly and clearly.
That's great. Most people at cafes speak clearly because they talk to many customers every day.
I also noticed the barista asked for my name. Is that normal?
Yes, it is very common. They write your name on the cup. When your drink is ready, they call your name.
So I just listen for my name?
Exactly. And when you hear it, just say, "That's me," or go and pick it up.
That's me. I like that. Simple and easy to remember.
You are a fast learner, Ollie.
Thank you. I feel so much more confident now.
And remember, this same phrase, can I get, works for food too. You can say, can I get a chocolate muffin, please?
Oh, really? So it works for everything?
For drinks, for food, at any cafe. It is the most useful phrase for beginners.
I will remember it forever now. Can I get? My new favorite phrase.
Great job today. You learned so many useful words and phrases. Let's quickly review what you learned. Number 1. Use can I get to order. Number 2. Choose your size, small, medium, or large. Number 3. Answer the barista's questions, hot or iced, and for here or to go. Number 4. Give your name and listen for it when your drink is ready. Now, do you remember the question from the beginning? What do you call the person who makes and serves coffee? The answer is a barista. Did you find it in the conversation? Please write your answer in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Simple English Family. See you next time.